this is Kyle here with the unboxing video. My first unboxing video, may I add. Today we're gonna be ripping into the WLToy's k969. So let's just jump right into it. Damn! The show must go on. There it is. No surprises in this box, just gets right to it. There's the car. I'll do a little walk around of it. It looks like the unit does not include the 4 AA batteries I'm gonna need to get the controller on and operational. It's a little bit of a bigger controller for the size of the car. And there we have it.